Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express. After launching the Mi 9 flagship in China last week, Xiaomi has announced the arrival of the device in Europe. The announcement was made at Xiaomi's press conference at the MWC 2019 in Barcelona, Spain. Perhaps the highlight of the Mi 9 is its triple camera setup, which consists of a 48MP main camera, 16MP ultra-wide and 12MP telephoto lens. A 20MP selfie camera is on the front. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 855 chipset, Qualcomm's latest mobile processor. The device has a 3300 mAh battery, but it also gets the 20 watts wireless charging. The phone has a 6.39-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a water drop style notch. The Mi 9 also features an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Xiaomi Mi 9 will be available in Spain, Italy and France from February 28 for a price of €449 for the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage model and €499 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage model.